Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you convert a PDF file to Excel. Some of the times we land in a situation that some data is there in one of the PDF file which we want to import in Excel. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. If you can follow my mouse, let me show you one PDF file here which I created specifically for this particular video. It's an order form where certain details are there and there is one table where the data is available. Now it's for a garments order form where multiple different type of garments are there, t-shirt, cap and other items, and some quantity, unit price, amount, all those things are mentioned. So what I want to do, I want to import this particular table in Excel. Let me show you how can you achieve that. If I open Excel and then if I go to a blank document, here currently I am in home tab. If I need to import, I need to go to this data tab. Let me click there and there is one option that is get data. If I click on this little drop down here, I'll be getting multiple different options. So one option is there in the top, that is form file. If I go there, I'll be getting one option from PDF. Now, if you are not getting this particular option in your Excel, check the versions. I'm using Office 365 and this is a new feature and you may not be able to find it in case you are using a lower version. So let me click on this form PDF. What it will do, it will give me a prompt to select one of the PDF file. So let me go to the particular folder and where I kept this all files, and now once I select this particular file and click on import, a new pop-up will come. Here you can see it's trying to fetch the data from this particular PDF file and here you can see it's connecting. Once it will read that PDF file, now after that it will come up with a prompt. Now you can see it picked up three different tables there. First one is the table where the customer name, phone number, email, those were mentioned. And if I click on the next one, you can see this particular table is here. So currently it's picked up that particular data from PDF. Now there are certain options here. One option is that transform data. If I click on that, it will open Power Query. But this is a simple file, we don't need to open Power Query. I'll show you that particular option in another video which is coming next, where I'll show you how can you import multiple PDF files in one Excel. There we'll be using Power Query extensively. But here currently that is not required. Now there is another option, that is load. If you can select this particular drop down, you'll be getting two options here, load and load to. So once is if you click on load, it will load in Excel file, and if you click on load to, you will be able to select another file where this particular data will be copied. I'll click on load for now and it will pick the data there in the Excel. Now you can see it's getting the data and you can see it just now fetched the data from that PDF file. Till now this is a simple step we followed. We just imported the data and it's there in the Excel. So this option is that simple. And now let me show you another beautiful feature of this particular tool. That is, this particular table is now connected to the PDF file. Now in case of any changes to that particular PDF, that will also reflect here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you see, if I just mouse over here and then I click on this refresh, it will try to refresh the data from the PDF. Now another option is there. If I right click here, I'll be getting one option, that is properties. If I click there, then this particular pop-up will come. Here you will be able to select how frequently you want to refresh data. Here if you follow my mouse, you can see there is one option, how many minutes I will be able to refresh the data. Another option is there, whenever you will be opening the file, you can refresh the data. So these are the options are there and you can select as per your requirement. Now let me do one thing. Let me change that source PDF file and let me show you how can you update it here. Let me click on cancel and then I go back to these files where I created. So this was the file. If I open that Word file using which I created this PDF for this demonstration purpose, you will be able to see that there is same table. You can see that there is one data where it's mentioned 10,000, right? Let me do one thing. Let me just change this 10,000 to 15,000. And if I go to file, I go to save as, and then I save as a PDF, and what I'll do, I'll click on save. Now what it will do, it will export that particular file with this modified number And if I close this particular file, and let me do that, and you'll be able to see that I exported that PDF here. So what I'll do, I'll take this particular PDF and I will replace with the older version, and I'll click OK. I think earlier one is open, so let me close it also, and now continue. So now you can see this particular PDF has been replaced. Now let me come back to the Excel. You can see this 10,000 is still visible there. Let me zoom in it a bit. And now if I come here and click on this refresh icon, let's see if it fits the data. See, now it became 15,000. So this is the way you can import data from a PDF file to Excel, and you will be able to keep it connected also. So in case any changes to the source file, your table in the Excel also will get changed. Hopefully you will be able to use it in your day-to-day work. As I mentioned earlier, I'm already in process to record another video where I'll show you how can you import multiple PDF files in one of the Excel. Please subscribe to my channel in case you want to watch that. Also enable the notification bell so that you will be getting a notification once the video will be out. Also let me know in the comments if you want to see any other file conversion related videos, then I'll also plan to produce those. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.